On today's episode, we will be trying out Reggio's pizza. So welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica. You know I'm like touring America as a Jamaican, and I am actually trying out all the food.
The airport, because I had like 3 connecting flights. So that's like 3 different airports.
Restaurant, I tried Chick-fil-A, which was really good. I will not forget that. And now I'm moving on to this Reggio's pizza. Of course, I've tried pizza in my home island, Jamaica, but I've never tried a deep dish pizza. So that is why it was intriguing to me to try it. Well, it was so interesting. Well, I was intrigued to try it, right? So this is Reggio's pizza. It's an express, so the pizzas are prepared ahead of time and put in a display. And look at this. It looks so good. What?
And I like it, of course, because it's a little bit more filling. The thing though, it's a little bit salty than the pizza that I'm used to in Jamaica. It's a little bit salty than the pizzas that I'm used to in Jamaica. I love there's a gumminess to it, right there. Sense of gumminess, and then there's like crust, a nice crust. I want you to hear me biting in it. Yeah, bad. Which one do I prefer? I think I prefer my regular pizza, but this is a good substitute. I love how cheesy. You get a lot of cheese pull. If you love like tomato sauce, this is definitely your pizza. Usually the regular pizza, they do not have a lot of tomato sauce like this. So the saltiness I thought was coming from the pepperoni. It's also coming from the pepperoni and the cheese, but from the tomato sauce. The tomato sauce is a little bit too saucy for me. But other from that, it's really good. I have one more slice and then I'm going to pick up the rest for later. Look at that. Look at that cheese pull. I like cheese pull for days. This is super filling. So, you know, I can't eat all of this one time. I'm going to put this down for dinner. So I can tick deep pan pizza off my bucket list. I've officially tried deep pan pizza. And I do get that buttery note coming through. And them not gonna like on the cheese. Yo, you get enough cheese. Funny enough, I know that it's butter crust pizza, but it's not like all that greasy. If I did Pizza Hut pizza, I have a Jamaica. I have to put wax paper underneath the Pizza Hut greasy. But funny enough, this is not so greasy compared to other pizza. It's interesting. A little bit too salty. I have blood pressure, they want to come give me. This remind me of my grandma. Lord mercy. High blood pressure. You have to careful, Lasana. Careful to my salt. And she watches my videos, so you know she gonna call me. I say, why you talking like that about me? I'm grateful for the opportunity to try new things. And you watch me eating and talking with food in my mouth. It's bad manners to speak with food in your mouth. Except if you review food and you have to talk, you have to comment. Right. I can't wait until like, right? You cannot wait until you finish eating everything to talk about the food. You know how long that gonna take? You have to like do it a little bit stylish, like yo. And then you talk, but you try to talk and not really let them see the food in your mouth. You know? Because you could talk and you could see the food in my mouth like this, and then you would be like, ew, like, suppose I did this. Yeah, food tastes good. No, you don't want that. You kind of do it stylish. Food tastes really good. See, you're not really seeing the food in my mouth. So it's a quick feedback to how the food really tastes. Well, I like to do that. So, let's put this up for later. No, it's next. No. Let's move on to the next stop.
So this is rumored to be the best cheesecake place in Chicago. So let's try Eli's. Is it? Or Illis? Illis Pizza, right? Chicago's favorite cheesecake. So I was kind of like wondering what I should take. They have like carrot cake cheesecake. They have strawberry cheesecake. They had like chocolate cheesecake. They had like cheesecake. They had a lot of variety of cheesecake. And I was like, you know what? Even though some of these look so interesting, for me, if I'm going to try out a restaurant for the first time, I'm just going to stick to what I know, the strawberry cheesecake. So let's try it. Let's see how they handle creating the basic strawberry cheesecake flavor. Right? You can't mess that up. Let's try it.
So I'm trying Ellie's cheesecake. Look for a little piece of slice of cheesecake I get. I time I can't compare with the Jamaican. I get some tiny slice. So they say this is the best cheesecake in Chicago. Although everybody loves them are the best. I me love some of the best of things, and I don't know about that. Alright, so let's. My husband would love to be here. Let's try. It smells like I smell the strawberry. It's okay. I mean, it's just cheesecake. I mean, like, there's nothing grand about it. There's not like much flavor dimension. It's like they just put heavy cream cheese, salt, and that is it, with some strawberry on top. You know, nothing else. Nothing else to make it kind of like get a oof, a boof, a woof. Carry it back. Get back my money. What do you want? I want it not you know? It's just okay. The crust is not crusting. The crust tastes like the crust coming like a pastry, like not really that. No. But it's okay. I mean, like, if you are a cheesecake lover, So, nice stoplight. The moment I walk in, I walk over 30 minutes to get to the cheesecake stand. The cheesecake, Ellie's Cheesecake. I walked over 30 minutes to get to Ellie's Cheesecake. Was it worth it? No. Would I do it again? Yes. Because no me know say nah, not one for them. Basic. Why be basic when you can be extraordinary? But then again, probably because I chose a basic flavor, which is the strawberry cheesecake. If I wanted something more complex, I should have chose something more complex. But if you hear me, if you can't get the basic good, then why explore further? You have to start from the base first, then you get some other crazy flavors. I don't have no money. If I try another flavor, money done. Guys, how much please like and share my videos. So much work may I do for now? Whoa. No! No!
So this practically sums up everything, my whole experience. This is the last episode of me traveling overseas and exploring restaurants, whether it be in the airport or being in Wisconsin. And it was completely fun, and I give God thanks, thank you God for all the experience. And I like to leave with a nice Bible verse. So Matthew 6 verse 34. So don't worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will bring its own worries. Today's trouble is enough for today. So I love this Bible verse, because sometimes you are so bombarded with so many thoughts, so many worries of the future. But here's the Bible saying, hey, the Bible isn't saying that you do not have any troubles. The Bible is saying, hey, just focus on overcoming all the troubles you face today. And then tomorrow, and tomorrow come, you face tomorrow. And I love it. It isn't saying though that we're not supposed to forecast, and if we can put in preventative measures to ensure that we do not come into any troubles in the future, that we're not supposed to do it. If you are free of, if you're not worried somewhere, don't have no problems, and or anything that is so bad, and you can plan for the future, go ahead and plan for the future, but do not worry over the future. Yeah. So plan for the future, don't worry for the future. And if things are getting hectic and you're becoming sad and depressed, take it back. Just take off some of that load and just focus on working through today with the help of God. Pray and invite God into your life, and just see how you can overcome today, and tomorrow you work on overcoming tomorrow. And this is very helpful, very helpful. Let's see if we can just get through today. All right, so thank you for everybody who has been continuously watching my videos, who have been supporting me. Thank you so much. Remember to click the like button, because the more you click the like button, it's the more YouTube is going to send my video out and more persons can view it. So click the like button, share, watch the entire video. You can watch more of my videos as well. Bye. See you next time. One love. Oh yeah, I am back in Jamaica, and I'll be creating some new videos in Jamaica. And the newest video is this one where we're checking out this new place on Wards Avenue. It's right in front of this new restaurant called Toast. So stay tuned for more exciting videos as we check out this new place in Mandeville Town. Yes, you ever wonder what is across this road? Like what is on this apartment? No, not apartment. This plaza complex, something like that. This complex, this plaza. We're gonna find out in the next video. So stay tuned. Bye.